Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. Where are my divas? My caramel divas, my hot chocolate divas. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to make a promixing video for hot chocolate and caramel skin tone. Okay, this video is a tutorial video and it is simple to do it. This lotion can give you 1 to 2, 3 shades. Yes, depending on your skin type. Please, skin type differs. So guys, let's dive into the video. Before doing this production, please make sure that your environment are well clean and also sanitize your equipment. Yes, get a sanitized bowl and get one of this DES lotion. This DES lotion is a skin lightening lotion. It's very good. It can give you 1 to 2 shades lighter, the lotion itself. But this one we are going to get in one big bottle of this lotion. One big bottle of this lotion. Scoop all into the container or the bowl. Scoop all into it. Yes, and mix it well. Mix it well. After mixing it, then you get one egg guard. One egg guard is also okay. Get one egg guard. Egg guard is very good. It prevents stretch marks. So egg guard is also very good. Get one and scoop it into the lotion. Add to the lotion. Add the egg guard into the lotion. Mix it properly. Yes, when you add, you have to mix it. You mix it. Okay guys, yes, to make it more smooth for you. This egg guard is also one of the best tube. It also minimize stretch marks. It's very good for stretch marks. It prevents stretch marks for occurring. And also you get one miracle derm tube. One miracle derm tube. One of it is also very good. This miracle derm tube is also very good for stretch marks. Get one, add to the lotion and mix it properly. Then you also get in your Nuprozone. Nuprozone gel is also very good for the skin. It give it a lightening tone. Yes, it give it a lightening tone. It clear or cleanse the skin very well. So we are going to get one of it. Nuprozone. You are going to get the gel, one of it. Then you add to the lotion. Mix it very well. Mix all the tube with the lotion very well before you can add in the serums. This serum is one of the best for caramel. One of the best serum for caramel skin tone. This rapid white toning serum. Rapid white toning serum. You get one bottle. Mix it with the lotion. Mix it to the lotion very well. Then you get this ampoulus, the Pigeon glutathione ampoulus. Get one of the bottle too. Get full bottle of it. Pigeon is also very good. It's give the skin that yellow skin tone. Yes, because it contains vitamin C and glutathione. So this serum is also one of the best serum. It's one of the best serum, guys. You add to the lotion and you mix it properly. Add it to the lotion. Please make sure to get original products. Make sure to get original products. Then you get one of the magic derma serum. You add one of it also to the lotion. Add one of it also to the lotion. Add one of it to the lotion. Mix it very well. Yes, the glutathione ampoulus is thick. It's very thick, so it will give the lotion a little more thick. Even the lotion itself is thick. So after adding in the magic derma, then you add in your rescue oil. Please, 3 tablespoons of the rescue oil is very good and also it's okay. 3 tablespoons. If you don't have rescue oil, you can add in bio or recovery oil. Get this one rescue oil and add in 3 tablespoons, which is 45 ml. Add to it. Okay guys, yes, if you want it like more powerful to stay from stretch marks, you can add the bio oil, 2 tablespoons also add to it. But please make sure to get the original bio oil and add to your production. After adding your bio oil, you can also add in your bare eclat kenako or crude kenako. Bare eclat kenako is one of the best serum and also oil for green veins it glows the skin. So this one we are going to add in half of the bottle, which is 1.5 tablespoon. Then you get your rose hip oil. Rose hip oil is very good. It clears dark lines under the eyes and those things. So for rose hip oil, you are going to also add in 1 tablespoon. Then you mix all the ingredients, mix all the product that I have mentioned, mix all very good, mix it thoroughly, mix it very good. Yes, mix all very good and scoop into your container and start using it. You come back and give me a testimony. But remember to get a good shower gel or a good soap. Add to this production, guys. Trust me, this production, you can sell it out. It's very good for caramel skin type, hot chocolate skin type. Trust me and do it, and you come back and give me a testimony here. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share my video to your friends and your family. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn your notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Remember to share my videos, also comment. Guys, please, because no, I beg, try to like my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Try to take care of yourself. See you. Bye.